In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cover photo that not only draws attention from your potential customers, but gives you the best chance of having that cover photo actually stick, because we all know that Google really controls the cover photo at the end of the day.
Phenomenal cosmic power!
Let me explain.
Make sure you watch till the end, because I'm going to give you a bonus tip that you're not going to want to miss. I don't know about you, but I would argue that the Google Business Profile cover photo is the most important photo that a business has on the entire internet.
You just blew my mind.
When a potential customer is researching you and wants to learn more about your business, they do a search for your brand, and the very first thing they see is your Google Business Profile cover photo. Number one, an image of the exterior is preferable to the algorithm, so pick a high quality photo and really display the exterior of your business, especially if you're a brick and mortar. Number two, avoid stock photos, logos, and images with too much text. Number three, this is really important. Pick an image that looks good in both square and a landscape layout. Number four, the image should be of a close-up and not have a ton of background detail. Number five, study your competition. Look through the market, see what types of cover photos your competitors are using, especially the ones that are performing really well, ranking really high in the 3-pack. Then what you do is you make sure your cover photo is 10 times better than their cover photo. That is a winning recipe for cover photo success. All right, guys, now for the bonus tip. Now, keep in mind, this tip works approximately 70 to 80% of the time, but it's definitely worth a try if you really can't get that cover photo to stick. First off, full credit to Ben Fisher for turning me on to this tip. Now, you know how there's a free website that you can create inside the Google Business Profile dashboard? Well, go ahead and create that, specify the main photo there, and what often happens is that photo will translate and become your Google Business Profile cover photo. Give us a try, let us know how it worked. Yeah, hey, Google. Yeah, my cover photo, what's going on? Guys, yeah. Why don't you just pick the photo that I want you to show? Okay, yeah. Okay, thanks, Google.